Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to access your HostGator cPanel. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn how to get started with your shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance inside HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to access your HostGator cPanel. Ways to access cPanel. The first one I know is from hosting, and under quick links you can find your link to cPanel. The second method is from websites. Click on settings under your desired website and head to advanced and scroll down to cPanel and click on manage. And as you can see, we are now inside cPanel. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos.